What it do, YouTube? This your boy DeAndre, God says. And once again, man, God's good all the time, man. Well, God ain't worrying about none. So yeah, this right here, that 98 two-door Tahoe. Got the custom billet grill. Sitting on 26s. Got the background underglow lights. Also, I got a switch where you can turn off the lights. 5.7, 350 motor. Low miles, only 180,000 miles on it. Got a nice sound system in it, bleeding. Got 4 TVs, 2 TVs in the back, 2 TVs in the headrest, 1 TV fold down. Like I say, leather in great condition. I just want to encourage you guys, man, to stay prayed up out there, man. Keep God first, man. For real, man. Be careful for these devils, man. They after us, man. Like I say, 180,000 miles. All the TVs work. You know, real deal. I do not own copyrights to this music. But like I say, real deal. All the TVs work. 350 motor. Posi rear end. And it will burn out on these 6s, man. Like I say, 5.7 motor, healthy. No leaking, no nothing. Got the top battery. Like I say, I also got 2 Boat speakers in the dash. They all controlled by a switch. Like I say, man, clean title in hand. You know, asking $8,000 the best offer. Y'all know money talks, man. Flow master exhaust. Like I say, leather seat in great condition. Door panels in great condition. Like I say, come get it, man. Like I say, man, I love God. Y'all love God, and if you don't, what's wrong with you? Hairline are good, no rips, no cracks in the dash or nothing. It's running good, man. Y'all have a blessed day. I'm gone.